What is up, guys? My name is Ren. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to show you my newly made video editing software, which is specifically made for the compilation type of video. So without further ado, let me show you what my software can do. So here I prepared a voiceover mp3 file here, and when you press create project, you rename it to whatever you like Japan, right? Because my voiceover is about Japan. So then you will want to just drag the voiceover here. You will need a Grok API key, and after this introduction video, I will have a tutorial video on this, but I will not release this yet because this is still under development. And if you like this, I can give you a link to try this out. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to turn on the automatically add pixel stock video, and of course you will need a pixel API key here, and you press create the transcribe, and it will start processing for you here. Like you can see this this one over here. This file is about 5 minutes, and it's
The Shinkansen.
there it is. This only take about like a minute to process everything for you, from transcribing the video, and splitting the scenes to match the transcribe, and then add the media into it. So it's currently I'm currently adding a pixel videos into each scene. But if you but the AI word is just that it cannot replace human at all. I don't mean at all, but it will help people make the video quicker. I don't know what it said, but the product quality is, you will still have to manage the product quality, right? So because these videos are sometimes not matching what you want, you can replace this. You can replace the media by first you can upload your media whatever into this. Like I can drop the video here, and then I can replace the media by dragging. Oh, excuse me. Okay, you can remove this, and then you can add the source here. You can see just some drag and drag. I would like to mute this. As you can see, there it is. It's just a little bit of like lagging, but after you export it, it'll be fine. It's just some problem with the playback. I still have to fix it. Okay, so what is the point that there's available media in the scene, but I still have to download the media on the internet and then import it into the app to replace the media here, right? So you won't have to go to the internet and then download it manually. There is a section particularly for it. There you can, in the compilation video, there will be like two types of the media, right? One is, I think there's two or three. First is the stock video, right? You get from Pixel, from Idvedo, from whatever, and the footage video you can find on YouTube, on social media. And the last one is the image. They can be stock image, they can be image that is the real image on Google Image or something, right? So here I want to replay this scene with let's be, for example, an image, right? An image of the Shinkansen Shinkansen speed train, right? I would just type here Shinkansen and then press search it. There it is. You can use the image. There it is, and it's already at the keyframe for you. You don't have to worry. And here, okay, this scene is pretty okay, but this scene is kind of, we don't like this, right? And but there's already a you know, some of the recommended keyword for you to choose. But if you don't want it, you can search here. But let's say I want to I want to replace the media of this scene with a footage video from YouTube. Okay, I will go to the tab YouTube. I will find like the Shinkansen and search it. There it is. It will find the video on YouTube, and those video are a long video, not short. So don't worry. You can add to this. See, this is pretty cool. And you practice, and when you you know, when you choose it, you want to scroll up, and then there will be a preview here. Okay, I want to turn this off. There, and there you can replace. You can go to the time you want, like 15 46 16 15 minutes 46, like this. Okay, but if you don't want it, you can just go to the time that you want, the timestamp you want, and then you can pick the use current preview time here. I'm gonna click this. It will automatically change the time here, the start time, and then when you are good with this, you want to press add clip the segment. And what it does here, it will trim the video from the start with the duration here, the duration of the clip over here, and you want to add clip the segment, and we'll start downloading clip here. And you see when it finish when the download is finished, it will automatically apply to the clip. Isn't it cool?
What makes the Shinkansen truly legendary is
and this is the full, and this is about 180 or 4K. I have no idea because I vibe code this. Okay, but isn't it cool that you can like make the compilation video by just using AI? Isn't it, like, imagine you can make this type of video in just like 1 or 2 hours. Okay, so when you want to like, and there you can, in the media, when you download clip, there will be in here, so you can keep track of what you have done. Okay, when you are okay with that, you can press export like this, but it's currently queuing the render, so whatever, I will fix this later. Cool. So that is, oh, I forgot, you can there's some basic property that you will want to change, like the subtitle here. You can change the font. There's still some basic fonts, so it's okay. You can have like basics operation here. There's a subtitle background, text outlined. There's a lot of everything you want. You can turn on off subtitle too. And there's also clip sub property. When you press to a video, you can like remove the attached media. You can change the you can change the start and the duration here. You can also change the track. Like for example, I will create another track, and I can like move it to the track, because dragging is sometime like you don't want to drag all the time, right? Okay, so that is what I want to introduce you about this software in this video. So if you want a beta test version of this app, let's say how about like 100 likes, and I will drop a link to the beta version of this. But there's then the release time, I still don't plan the release time yet, but you know, as soon as possible. And let's see if this one is, you know, widely supported. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.